'69 Deville, passenger side, front corner light. So as you can see, it's got a decent shine. All the lenses are intact, except there is a hairline crack right here, which does not appear to be all the way through, but just bring it to your attention. There's a little scuff right there. Nothing crazy though. Actually, it's like the crazing in the plastic, but you can see the chrome has a average pitting. Does still have a decent shine, but would also be a good candidate for re-chrome. This up top here, you're really not gonna see. This sits under the fender. So try and get it so you can see that. So again, has some average pitting. The side lens is intact, no cracks. Also comes with this rubber gasket or filler. Which you can see also comes with the mounting plate for the filler. All of these tabs are intact.